One man will stun the ladies.
Every girl pull up on a DJ spot.
Grenada, get ready. Saturday, March 24. As Breadstar Promotions presents the 4D Fest. 4D Fest. Featuring live from TNT, Swappy 4D. Swappy 4D. So ladies, you know the heat is on Saturday, March 24th. Going down at the famous Moonlight City. Ladies, get yourselves ready, cause this will be mad, sick and crazy. It's Swappy alongside 10 of Grenada's hottest artists, including Talbray, Lava, Looney Spark, Electrify, Mr. Killer, Shopray, Boise, and more. Early bird tickets before March 17th cost $20. More after. Ticket outlets, all Lime stores, York, Snickerway, St. George's, J&A, Supermarket Guelph, Shi's Bar, Victoria, Lady Synthesizers, and Boogie Beats Barbershop, Grenville. The nation's roughest DJs rolling through. Kevlatone International, Mix Master Brand, Digital Mix, and the Bomb Squad, featuring Bay Jr. and the Sub. The 4D Fest, Swappy live.
This carnival,
with Moonlight City, Saturday, March 24th. Endorsed by Stag, Emansmere, Annie's Boutique, Clutch Code, Special Dog, Golden Auto, York, Sneakerwear, Stones Customs Graphics, Design Factory, Live, BL International, Baby Boy Spicy Cafe. It's here. Quartz, Grenada Limited, Tag, Art, City, Top Cat, Underground Customs, PatsyGrenada.com, The Owls Bar, 3 O's Auto Supplies, and Boss FM, the official voice of the 4D Fest. Also, GND Media.